Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the impairment loss accounting standard, they might ask certain journal entries also. So let us see how to pass the journal entry. A company recognize impairment loss to be 3 lakh rupees. So if impairment loss is 3 lakh rupees, the journal entry will be impairment loss account debit to PPE account 3 lakh rupees and 3 lakh rupees. What is the journal entry if 5 lakh rupees is there in the revaluation surplus? Actual loss is 3 lakh rupees, but 5 lakh is already there in the surplus, revaluation surplus. So as I have told in my previous problem, we will not write the impairment loss account. In fact, we will use this balance to write off the impairment loss account. So the journal entry will be revaluation surplus account debit to PP account. What is the impairment loss? It is 3 lakh rupees. So we write 3 lakh and 3 lakh rupees. What is the journal entry if 1 lakh rupees is there in revaluation surplus account? So whatever the 1 lakh rupees is there, we will use that. Remaining 2 lakh. So total impairment loss was, see here, total impairment loss was 3 lakh. In that 1 lakh rupees we will use to write off from revaluation surplus account. The remaining 2 lakh rupees is considered to be impairment loss. So that is what we have written the entry here. Revaluation account debit 1 lakh rupees. Impairment loss account will be 2 lakh. To PP account total it will be 3 lakh rupees.